Ladies and gentlemen, do you or someone you love wake up every day with stiff, aching joints? Joint pain is no longer just a problem of old age. It affects millions of people daily, limiting movement, comfort, and quality of life. Many of us rely on painkillers that only mask the problem instead of addressing the root cause. Today, I want to talk about something surprisingly simple yet powerful, a 1-cup natural drink that can support better joint comfort and reduced inflammation when used consistently as part of a healthy lifestyle. This talk is not about quick miracles, but about smart, natural choices that can make a real difference over time. Joint pain does not usually appear overnight. For most people, it develops slowly and becomes a daily problem due to a combination of inflammation, stiffness, and gradual wear and tear on the joints. Understanding these causes is the first step toward managing joint discomfort effectively and naturally. One of the primary reasons joint pain becomes a daily experience is chronic inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural defense mechanism. When a joint is injured or stressed, the immune system sends inflammatory chemicals to protect and repair the area. However, when inflammation becomes ongoing, often due to poor diet, lack of movement, stress, or excess body weight, it begins to damage healthy joint tissue instead of healing it. This leads to swelling, tenderness, and persistent pain that can be felt every day. Another major factor is stiffness, especially in the morning or after long periods of inactivity. As we age, the joints naturally produce less synovial fluid, the lubricating fluid that allows joints to move smoothly. Without adequate lubrication, joints become dry and stiff, making movement uncomfortable and sometimes painful. This stiffness is why many people feel fine at rest, but experience pain as soon as they start moving, or feel better after warming up the joints with gentle activity. Wear and tear, medically known as degeneration, also plays a significant role in daily joint pain. Over time, the cartilage that cushions the joints begins to thin. Cartilage acts as a shock absorber, preventing bones from rubbing against each other. When it breaks down, even simple movements like walking, bending, or climbing stairs can cause discomfort. This is especially common in weight-bearing joints such as the knees, hips, and lower back. Lifestyle choices can greatly accelerate this wear and tear. Repetitive movements, poor posture, long hours of sitting, lack of exercise, or overuse from physically demanding work all put extra stress on the joints. Additionally, excess body weight increases pressure on joints, particularly the knees, causing them to deteriorate faster. Even emotional stress can contribute, as it triggers the release of hormones that promote inflammation throughout the body. Poor nutrition is another often overlooked contributor. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats fuel inflammation, making joint pain more intense and frequent. At the same time, a lack of anti-inflammatory nutrients deprives joints of the building blocks they need to repair and protect themselves. In summary, daily joint pain is rarely caused by a single issue. It is usually the result of chronic inflammation, reduced joint lubrication, cartilage breakdown, and lifestyle-related stress on the body. By understanding these underlying causes, we can shift our focus from simply masking pain to supporting joint health from within. Starting with simple, consistent habits that help reduce inflammation and nourish the joints naturally. Inflammation plays a central role in joint discomfort, and for many people, it is the main reason joint pain becomes persistent rather than occasional. While inflammation is a natural and necessary process for healing, problems arise when it becomes chronic. Instead of protecting the joints, long-term inflammation begins to damage them, leading to swelling, stiffness, pain, and reduced mobility. When the body detects stress, injury, or harmful substances, it releases inflammatory chemicals such as cytokines and prostaglandins. In the short term, this response helps repair damaged tissue. However, factors like poor diet, ongoing stress, lack of sleep, environmental toxins, and sedentary lifestyles can keep the inflammatory response active for long periods. This constant state of inflammation irritates the joint lining, increases fluid buildup, and accelerates cartilage breakdown, making joint pain an everyday struggle. One of the most significant drivers of chronic inflammation is diet. Foods high in refined sugar, white flour, trans fats, and processed oils promote inflammatory responses throughout the body. Regular consumption of sugary drinks, fried foods, packaged snacks, and fast food overwhelms the immune system, triggering inflammation not only in the joints but also in muscles and connective tissues. Over time, this creates a cycle where inflammation leads to pain, pain limits movement, and reduced movement further worsens inflammation. On the other hand, nutrition can be a powerful tool for calming inflammation. Certain foods contain natural compounds that help block inflammatory pathways and support joint repair. For example, fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants help neutralize free radicals that damage joint tissue. Leafy greens, berries, and colorful vegetables provide vitamins and plant compounds that reduce oxidative stress in the joints. Healthy fats also play a crucial role. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like flax seeds, walnuts, and fatty fish, are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These fats help balance the body's inflammatory response, reducing swelling and improving joint flexibility. In contrast, unhealthy fats found in processed foods tend to worsen inflammation. Spices and herbs are another nutritional ally in joint health. Natural compounds in ingredients such as turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon have been shown to help reduce inflammation and improve circulation. These ingredients work gently but effectively, making them suitable for daily use as part of a long-term approach to joint comfort. Hydration is equally important. Dehydration can thicken joint fluid, increasing stiffness and discomfort. Drinking adequate fluid supports joint lubrication and helps flush inflammatory toxins from the body. In summary, inflammation is at the heart of joint discomfort, but it is not something we are powerless against. By reducing inflammatory foods and increasing nutrient-rich anti-inflammatory choices, we can create an internal environment that supports joint healing rather than damage. Small, consistent nutritional habits, such as incorporating a simple anti-inflammatory drink into your daily routine, can gradually reduce inflammation, ease joint pain, and improve overall joint comfort over time. The effectiveness of a simple 1-cup drink for joint comfort lies not in complexity, but in the careful combination of natura, anti-inflammatory ingredients that work together to support the body's healing processes. Unlike medications that often target symptoms alone, natural ingredients focus on restoring balance, reducing inflammation, and nourishing joint tissues from within. One of the most powerful aspects of this drink is that it delivers concentrated nutrients in an easily absorbable form. When ingredients are combined in liquid form, the body can absorb and utilize their benefits more efficiently. This makes a single cup a practical and consistent daily habit, especially for people who may struggle with swallowing pills or maintaining complicated supplement routines. At the core of this drink are ingredients known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Natural plant compounds help calm the immune response that causes swelling and discomfort in the joints. Instead of aggressively blocking inflammation, these compounds gently regulate it, allowing the body to heal while reducing pain and stiffness over time. This is especially important for people experiencing daily joint discomfort, where long-term support is more beneficial than short-term relief. Another key benefit comes from ingredients that support joint lubrication and flexibility. Healthy joints depend on adequate fluid and nutrients to move smoothly. Certain natural components help improve circulation and hydration at the joint level, reducing stiffness and promoting easier movement. This is why many people notice improved comfort not just while resting, but also during daily activities such as walking, bending, or standing for long periods. This 1-cup drink may also include ingredients rich in antioxidants, which protect joint tissues from oxidative stress. Over time, free radical damage contributes to cartilage breakdown and joint aging. Antioxidants act as protective agents, shielding joints from further damage and supporting long-term joint health. While the effects may feel gradual, consistency is key. Daily nourishment builds cumulative benefits. Another important factor is digestive and metabolic support. Some natural ingredients help improve digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring the body actually benefits from what it consumes. Better digestion means less internal stress and lower inflammation throughout the body, which indirectly supports joint comfort. When the gut is healthier, the inflammatory burden on joints is often reduced. What truly makes this drink effective is its simplicity and sustainability. Because it uses natural ingredients and requires only 1 cup a day, it is easy to maintain over time. Joint health improves through consistency, not quick fixes. A simple daily ritual encourages long-term adherence, which is essential for reducing chronic inflammation and supporting joint comfort. In summary, this 1-cup drink works because it combines anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich, and joint-supporting ingredients into a form the body can easily absorb and use. It supports joints holistically by calming inflammation, improving lubrication, protecting cartilage, and enhancing overall wellness. When taken consistently, this simple habit can become a powerful ally in the journey toward better joint comfort and improved quality of life. Even the most powerful natural ingredients can fall short if they are not used correctly or consistently. When it comes to improving joint comfort and reducing inflammation, how and when you consume the 1-cup drink plays a crucial role. Proper timing, consistency, and supportive habits can significantly enhance its effectiveness. First, consistency is more important than quantity. Drinking 1 cup daily is far more beneficial than consuming it occasionally or in large amounts. Joint inflammation builds up over time, and it also takes time to calm it. Making this drink part of your daily routine, much like brushing your teeth, allows the body to steadily absorb and benefit from its nutrients. Skipping days disrupts this process and delays results. The best time to consume the drink is often in the morning, on an empty stomach, or between meals. In the morning, the body is naturally in a detox and repair mode after fasting overnight. Consuming the drink at this time allows the nutrients to be absorbed more efficiently without competition from heavy foods. For those with sensitive stomachs, drinking it after a light meal is also acceptable, as comfort should always come first. Temperature also matters. A warm or room temperature drink is generally easier on digestion and may help improve circulation. Cold drinks can sometimes cause joint stiffness in sensitive individuals, while warmth helps relax muscles and improves blood flow to joints. This can enhance the delivery of nutrients to inflamed areas, supporting better mobility throughout the day. Another key factor is proper preparation. Using fresh, high-quality ingredients maximizes the drink's benefits. Avoid adding excessive sugar or artificial sweeteners, as these can increase inflammation and counteract the drink's purpose. If sweetness is needed, natural options in small amounts are preferable. Preparing the drink fresh whenever possible ensures the active compounds remain potent. It is also important to support the drink with healthy lifestyle habits. While the 1-cup drink can significantly aid joint comfort, it works best when combined with light physical activity, proper hydration, and a balanced diet. Gentle movements such as walking or stretching help distribute nutrients to the joints and prevent stiffness. Drinking enough water throughout the day further supports joint lubrication and reduces inflammation. Patience is essential. Natural joint support is not an overnight solution. Some people may notice reduced stiffness or improved mobility within a few weeks, while others may take longer depending on age, activity level, and overall health. The key is to observe gradual improvements, less morning stiffness, easier movement, or reduced reliance on pain relief methods. Finally, listening to your body is critical. If any ingredient causes discomfort, adjustments should be made. Natural solutions are meant to support the body, not stress it. Customizing the drink to suit your needs ensures long-term success and safety. In summary, consuming the 1-cup drink correctly, at the right time, in the right way, and with consistency can significantly improve its joint support benefits. When paired with healthy daily habits and patience, this simple routine can become a powerful step toward lasting joint comfort and reduced inflammation. The true value of a natural joint support routine is revealed over time. While quick relief can be comforting, long-term joint health is about sustainable improvement, not temporary fixes. When a simple 1-cup anti-inflammatory drink is used consistently as part of a healthy lifestyle, it can lead to meaningful, lasting benefits that extend far beyond pain reduction. One of the most noticeable long-term benefits is improved mobility. As inflammation gradually decreases, joints are no longer restricted by swelling and internal irritation. This allows for smoother, more comfortable movement. Everyday activities such as walking, climbing stairs, standing for longer periods, or even getting out of bed in the morning become easier. Over time, this improved mobility encourages people to move more, creating a positive cycle where movement further supports joint health. Another important benefit is greater flexibility. Chronic inflammation and stiffness often cause joints and rounding muscles to feel tight and rigid. With consistent anti-inflammatory support, joints regain some of their natural range of motion. Flexibility improves as joint tissues become better hydrated and lubricated. This reduces the feeling of rusty or locked joints, particularly after rest or sleep, and helps prevent injury caused by sudden or awkward movements. Daily comfort is also significantly enhanced. Instead of experiencing constant discomfort or dull aches throughout the day, many people notice less frequent and less intense pain. This can reduce dependence on pain medications, which often come with unwanted side effects when used long-term. Feeling more comfortable allows individuals to focus better at work, sleep more soundly, and enjoy social and physical activities without constant distraction from joint pain. Long-term use of natural joint support habits can also help protect joint structures. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, the drink helps slow the breakdown of cartilage and connective tissue. While it cannot reverse severe damage, it may help preserve existing joint health and delay further deterioration. This is especially important for individuals at risk of age-related joint issues or those with physically demanding lifestyles. Beyond physical benefits, improved joint health has a strong impact on mental and emotional well-being. Chronic pain often leads to frustration, stress, and reduced confidence in movement. As joint comfort improves, people often feel more optimistic, independent, and motivated to maintain healthy routines. This positive mindset further supports overall health and quality of life. Perhaps the greatest long-term advantage is the sustainability of the habit. A simple, natural one-cup routine is easy to maintain over months and years. Unlike complex treatments or strict regimens, this approach fits into daily life without stress. Consistency over time allows small improvements to accumulate into significant results. In summary, the long-term benefits of this simple joint support practice include improved mobility, enhanced flexibility, greater daily comfort, and better overall well-being. By choosing a natural, consistent approach, individuals can support their joints in a way that is gentle, effective, and sustainable, helping them stay active, independent, and comfortable for years to come.